Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to get instant salon-looking manicures within minutes with BTArtbox 3-in-1 French nail tips. So the first thing I do is prepare my cozy place, like a Netflix series, candles, and mint tea. Now let's start unpacking BTArtbox. So I got the 𝐂𝐃𝐄 French Protecting Duo. It is builder gel and top set. This French Protecting Duo helps to protect French tips last more than 30 days. Reinforced gel polish creates a better surface on the nails, increases the firmness of the nail tips and protect the designs. And a flexible top coat avoids nicks, chips, or smudges. Next, what I got is solid gel nail glue. I have been using this glue for nails rhinestones for a very long time and I never lost rhinestones from my nails. You can also use this nail glue for fake nail tips or press-on nails. And the most important thing is this box. So in this French 𝐂𝐃𝐄 set, pink medium coffin included a small nail file, user manual, it giving you step-by-step how to use the nail kit, and these beautiful French 𝐂𝐃𝐄 set, pink medium coffin. These French nail tips 3-in-1 is patented technology is well combined with soft gel tips. Tip primer base coat, which creates a light-cured, pre-shaped nail enhancement in 20 minutes or less. Here are 150 French nail tips. So I'm already trying to choose the right sizes. There is also included gel glue and top coat. Here is also a cute UV lamp with USB cable. It's really handy. You can use it everywhere, like with a power bank on vacation. That's it. Now we can start preparing the nails. Remove the extra cuticles. Buff the surface of your natural nails. Remove dust and oils with alcohol pad. Apply BTArtbox 4-in-1 gel nail glue on natural nails. Apply BTArtbox 4-in-1 gel nail glue on nail tips. Apply base end of the nail tips, concentrating the nail glue in the center. Appropriate amount of glue is more conductive to fully dry. Apply the nail tips. Flash cure for 15 seconds while pressing the nail tips. Then cure for fully dry more than 60 seconds. And repeat everything on the other nails. So now that we've done all the steps, let's create a cute rhinestone nail design. Cure more than 60 seconds for fully dry. And the final step is apply just one top coat, cure it 60 seconds. Done, you are ready to go. So I am 100% happy. This is my first time trying soft gel system fake nails, and I'm satisfied. They look really great. I'm obsessed with these BTArtbox nails. Everything what I used will be listed and link it in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to click subscribe button below.